do need to put some miles on the car. I got 94 on it right now. I think braking period is like, what, 500 miles? So I'm not really, not even, yeah, I still got a little ways to go. I think I'm almost a fifth there. I think a fifth of 500 would be 100, right? Because 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like 20% there. But man, this is awesome. Feels freaking crazy driving a C8, man. What the? Not just a C8, but a C8 Z06. What the? Let me go to sport. Yeah, man, back to touring mode, just, you know, relaxing. Let me just focus on the road, figure out how this vehicle operates. This is my, second time driving it? I got the car, Wednesday. Today, when I'm recording this, Saturday. Thursday, you would think I'd be all over the place in this car, right? I was just working all day Thursday. It was a little busy, so I didn't really get to drive it much. But, you know, yesterday, during my lunch break, come on, man. I mean, during my, during my Chick-fil-A break, I might say. For sure, I took the Corvette out, the Z06 out. Man, that's crazy, man. For real. But, yeah, I did take the Z06 out, got some Chick-fil-A. I dropped the top on it, too, so I was riding, you know what I'm saying, topless, so to speak. But, yeah, just a little POV, show y'all what it's like driving a Z06. Man, this is so crazy, man. It feels like a freaking, I want to say McLaren, but I haven't driven a McLaren yet. I need to, you know what I'm saying, drive one pretty soon. Stay tuned for that video. I'm pretty sure I could get that going. McLaren video, but, man, I don't know what this car just feels like. Well, it is an expensive car for sure. So, like, what do you expect? Like, the leather everywhere? Come on now. But on top of that, just the sound of it. I don't know if you say the gear ratio. Is that the proper term? The proper word you would say? But just, like, you could feel it super aggressive. Like, in touring mode, it does feel pretty calm, like a car should be. But yeah, cruising in the Z06, this is freaking awesome, man. My MPG 9.1. How? I mean, y'all know what this car is. I guess I could figure out how. But also, mind you, y'all, I only have 118 miles on this. Braking period is at 500 miles. I can't even go past 5,500 RPM. At the same time, y'all, I don't want to try to go to 5,500 RPM either. Like, let's get the engine properly broken out. I don't want to rush. You know what I'm saying? It's not like, oh, let me go buy another Z06. Like, it's a freaking Starbeast or something. But I feel like I could see more in this than I could see in the Camaro. drop the top on them one time, y'all. Damn, it looks freaking awesome without. Look, I got the windows up. Relax, y'all, relax. Man, that sounds freaking awesome, dude. Z06, man. Yeah, man, first drive, first car meet. Just gonna walk around and see what this is looking like. I'm excited, man. First car meet in the Z06. It's very different, not going in a car meet in the Camaro. That's normally what I come in. Oh, this is my cousin right here. Yeah, this is my cousin. Check me out. Damn, I'll give it a little rev. Where I go?
Hey, where's the top?
It's absent. I forgot it. I forgot it. Look.
I go next to the McLaren.
This way? Where I turning my cans at?
Huh? You take them home with you.
I bet. I'm hungry too. This way though, right? Righty tighty?
Righty.
Pardon me. Damn, did they save me a spot?
I got it.
Like that should be good. Hell yeah. We've arrived to the car meet, y'all. Let's put that down. Let's go. I'll say what's up to everybody. Ah, man. Ugh. Hopefully this thing's still recording. Arrived. freaking McLaren in front of me right now, y'all. Yeah, that shot flames on that one. Hopefully y'all can see that.